Hi everyone, I'm Christina and today we are going to take a look at how can I add or edit a post group. So let's go inside Squirrly Social, just like so. And now let's go over here to post groups. I can see my post groups over here, and in case I want to add a new one for a new category, a new campaign, or for whatever need I might have, I can simply click over here at group. Then I have to give a group name over here. Post 2, I have to select my social media profiles where I want the post from this post group to be sent to. I can select from the social media profiles that I have connected with this account. Then I have post repetition and the default status as draft or as approved. And let's click on save. And now I can see my new post group over here. By going over here to profiles and repetition, I'm once again to the settings that I have just made, like the post group name, as well as on what social media profiles I want those posts to be sent to. And by going over here to schedule, I can select the days of the week, as well as the time where I want the social media posts that are inside this post group to be sent to. So let's select those days like so, and let's click on this button at time. And let's change the hour to, let's say it like so, and let's add one more time. Like so. So basically, all the posts that I'm going to have in this post group, in this category, are going to be sent on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, twice a day, at 9:30 a.m. and at 8:15 p.m. So let's click on save. Once again, I can see this information over here. So the posts that I will have over here that are going to be in the approved tab, not in the drafts tab, are going to be sent on those days, at these hours, and on those social media profiles. We can see over here that we can create a new post by clicking on this button, like so, or generate using AI by clicking on this button. So this is how you can create a new post group, as well as how you can add posts inside this post group. But what if you want to edit an existing post group? Let's click on this one. So in case we want to edit this post group, all that we have to do is click on those two buttons, profiles and repetition, where we can rename the post group, select the social media profiles we want those posts to be sent to, the post repetition, the default status. We can delete this post group if we no longer want it. And by clicking on the schedule, we can change the days as well as the time. So basically, it's that simple to create or edit an existing post group. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.